Ford Focus Mark II, and the problem we had with this is when you were driving along, you could put your foot on the brake, and as soon as you let your foot off, the boot would pop. First of all, I thought it was the switch, which is, you can get to the back of it here by popping the trim off, but if you disconnect that plug and it still does it, then you know it's not a faulty switch. The way I've just sorted this, can of contact cleaner, can of WD-40. If you take this side trim off, this bit just pops off. There's two Torx T20s which just loosens that panel, you don't have to take it off. Pull the carpet open. This big multi-plug here gets water in it. These focuses are really prone to leaking in the boot, which is the next job to sort. Water in this multi-plug, pop it apart, spray it with switch cleaner, spray it with WD-40, put it back together, and that's all sorted after a couple of hours of trying to work out what the issue was. I hope this can help somebody.